uploading a SCORM package to the platform is not something you do every day in most cases, so there's no quick link. So in order to upload a SCORM package, you're going to navigate to Manage Center. And then under Learning, you'll see Import Content Package. Choose the file that you're going to upload. You've probably got a zipped SCORM file on your desktop. Here it is. And once you select it, click Next. There's a handy little counter down here in the bottom left telling us how fast it's going. I paused because I wanted to save time. Here we are again. This is the next screen that pops up. For module ID, you definitely need to name it the prefix that you've been given by Lingos. If you're not sure what that is, email support@lingos.org. It's very important. So because I'm adding this to demo, I use demo as my prefix, and then I can do whatever I want. I also like to, you can click this button and update the catalog settings if you want to go ahead and assign the catalog now. And you can also click Show in Catalog. A lot of members don't like to do this because you want to finish editing it once you get it online. So I'm going to actually uncheck that and just import as a new bundle. Under Select a Language, we're going to let the system determine what language it is. That's best practice. And you can put the title in here. You'll also have a chance to edit this later. The one thing you can't edit later is that module title, the module ID. So you want to make sure you get that right. You can change the title later. That's what we're going to do. So I'm going to click Next. Once again, it's going to take a few minutes to upload. Pause recording, and like magic, we will continue. Now we've got a friendly smiley face telling us that it went well. And I'm going to open the catalog editor. That's the next move. So now you're going to want to go through and set up your settings. Basically, you just fill in the information here, things like the title, put in a description, which language it's in. Here you can actually choose it if you want to. The vendor, if you know it. In my case, it's Lingos. In your case, it would be your member. Duration is about 30 minutes, etc. So I'm going to save before I move on to the next section here. It's very important that you go to Session Properties and change it to Active. This is the only way you're going to be able to have this show up in the catalog. So I've changed that to Active. Everything else can stay the same. Click Save. Go back to Module Properties. You can go through these sections here. Clicking Preview lets you see what it's going to look like when it's ready to launch. This is what the learner sees when they check out the course in the catalog. I do want to add a picture. So I go back to the Define Module Properties. Click this little button to choose a new image. Opens up the repository manager. I've got some images here. I'll just use this testing one. Select that. Remember, if I'm going too fast, you can pause and go back on this video. The picture is too big, so I'm going to scale to fit and click Save down here. Click Save again. If I preview the course again, you'll see my image is added. It starts to look a little nicer, right? So here's where you see the prerequisites, objectives, that sort of thing. Once you fill everything out and you're ready to put this out in the catalog, click Show in Catalogs, then assign the catalog. You'll see your catalog represented here. I want this for new learners, and then I click OK. Click Save. Now the course is available, published, active. There's an image. I could come back and finish filling out the description and that sort of thing. And but that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, please email support@lingos.org. They will help you out. And thanks for watching.